Good morning, students. Now next what we are going to do, equations of uniformly accelerated motion. There are three equations. First of all, I should tell you, write down in your notebook that u is for initial velocity, v is for final velocity, a is for acceleration, t is for time, s is for displacement. So there are three equations of motion. One is v is equal to u plus at. Next one is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and the last one is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. There are two methods to do it. One is graphical representation and another one is from the definition. So the first part which we are going to start, as it's given in your book, that is graphical representation. So what we are having a graphical representation, we are taking velocity time graph to find out these equations. For the velocity time graph, I have mentioned that this body is having some initial velocity u, and then it's showing what, a linear motion we are showing. So which kind of graph it is? You should know which kind of graph it is. So now this is our fine, and this is what our v, final velocity v, and this is what our graph is. Okay, so now we know that if I have to find out the acceleration from vt graph, what I will do, I will take the slope. Okay, so let's mention 0 here and t here. ठीक हो गया? Now what is the slope? A is equal to y2 minus y1, so that is v minus u upon x2 minus x1, that is t minus 0, so that coming out to be t. So when you solve it, that is at is equal to v minus u, which is equal to u plus at is equal to v. So we are getting our first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at. Now again, for the second equation of motion, what we have to find out for the second equation of motion? We have to find out the distance s. Now we know that for s, what we will do? We will take area under the graph. Now two things are here. Area under graph can be taken as area of rectangle plus area of triangle or area of the trapezium. Okay, so for this one we are having what? S is equal to what? Area of trapezium. Okay, the trapezium mentioned here there is OABD, which should equal to what I told you. We are taking the area under the graph, area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Okay, so for this equation of motion, we will take this one, area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So now what s is equal to area of rectangle? This is what your area of rectangle? That will be equal to what? U into t. So that is coming out to be ut plus area of the triangle, that is half into base into height. Height कितनी आएगी यहाँ पे? v minus u. Base is how much? Base is t. So what we are getting? Half into t into v minus u. Now in first equation of motion, what we are having? v minus u is equal to at. v minus u is equal to at. So I am just putting the value of this v minus u from the first equation of motion, that is coming out to be 80. कहाँ से आई ये? From first equation of motion. So it's coming out to be ut plus half at square, that is what our s. So this is what our second equation of motion. Now for the third equation of motion, we will take this one, area of trapezium, that s is equal to area of trapezium, that is OABD, okay, which is equal to S is equal to half into, so let's write down the parallel side first. Parallel side is this plus this, okay. How much is this? This is V and this is what? U. So here I will write V plus U into what? Into height. So what is the height? This is the height in this case. ट्रेपीजियम ले रहे हैं हम, ठीक है. ये पैरेलल साइड्स ले ली. दिस इज द हाइट, सो दैट्स कमिंग आउट टू बी t. Okay, now what we are having in third equation of motion, we don't need the value of t. What we are having, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. अब मुझे t की वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन से अगर हम t की वैल्यू निकालें तो क्या होगी? दैट इम्प्लाइज दैट t इज इक्वल टू v माइनस यू अपॉन ए. इस v माइनस यू अपॉन ए को हम यहाँ पे क्या कर देंगे? पुट, दैट इज v प्लस यू इंटू वी माइनस यू अपॉन ए. ये कौन सा फॉर्मूला बन गया? ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. दैट्स कमिंग आउट टू बी हाफ वी स्क्वेयर माइनस यू स्क्वेयर अपॉन ए. सो दिस implies us what? That is 2as is equal to v square minus u square, which is equal to u square plus 2as is equal to v square. These are the ways we can find it out graphically. The next now what we are having to find it with an alternative method, that is by definitions. Now by definition, so for the first equation of motion, acceleration is equal to what? Change in velocity upon time. So that's coming out to be v minus u upon t. Beta, in paper you can use any method. Graphical method is more important because sometimes they may mention that do it with graphical method. Otherwise you can do it with any method. So simply by using the definition of acceleration, we will do it. And the next now we are having the formula of average velocity. We are using that distance traveled is equal to what? Average velocity into time. अब average velocity क्या होती है? Initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2 divided by 2 into time is equal to what? S. Again in this equation now what we are having? V we don't need. What is the second equation of motion? That is S is equal to ut plus half at square. V is not required in this. So from the first equation of motion we put the value of V, that is u plus at divided by 2 into t. So that's coming out to be 2u plus at by 2 into t. So S is equal to u, wait, 2u upon 2 plus t. T should be multiplied now. This t is multiplied. At square upon 2. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So what you will get here equation? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Simply we use the formula, put down the values and we get it. The last one what we are having, the third equation of motion, the same formula we will use, that is distance travelled equal to average velocity into time. Same formula you will use here. What you will do now, we will put the value of t in this because t is not required in this equation. So we will put the value of t by using the first equation of motion, the way we have done in graphical method. So just putting down the values, what it coming out to be? A plus b into a minus b. So that is v square minus u square upon 2as. So that's coming out to be v square is equal to 2as plus u square. Okay, now but some special cases are given in your book. Similarly, using that equation of motion, the first they are taking u is equal to 0. No need to learn these expressions, because if you know these three equation of motion, you can do anything. Okay, you can find out these special cases very easily with it. But here they have given if u is 0, then v is equal to 80, s is equal to half 80 square. Obviously u becomes 0, that expression becomes 0. And the second one they are saying, see, you can directly use this expression also by mentioning in your numericals that if a body is moving in uniform retardation, then what will be negative? A will be negative. So that's why this minus sign is coming here. So that's all about the theory contact. And here with this we have done our all topics, and now only numericals are left. I'll post that numericals. Do it. If you have any doubt, then ask.